think archaeology is one of the most underrated degrees. It pretty much includes every science. It's all the modern and ancient ways of analysing people and places.
Coming to BU is it's a great place for a start. Bournemouth's a really great place to come and live. But the course is a really practically focused course, and you'll get a lot of skills that are really transferable across the board wherever you go in archaeology.
We teach them about general excavation skills, so how to excavate features and also how to record them, because the recording is just as important as the excavation itself. There is no point us digging archaeology if we can't create a record that lasts for people to examine.
The course covers things from like Roman Britain and then also like post-excavation, things like that. So you're not just out in the trench, it's also the subject behind it as well.
All of our courses with archaeology in the title will do a mandatory 5 weeks of fieldwork training at the end of their first year, and they will go out to a site like this where they will investigate, in this instance, medieval industries, but on other sites we've had Iron Age settlements, cemeteries, graveyards, Roman villas and temples and mausoleums, so a range of possibilities.
On my first year we did find a big slab stone suspended on 3 smaller stones with a sheep skull facing north and south with a child skeleton buried underneath it, which was very mysterious. We had no idea what was going on with that.
I couldn't be more happy with the course, how the course actually ended up being, and the support that we get from our lecturers and from our course leaders and everything is really good.
They're all very experienced. They've all done a lot of whatever it is that they're particularly specialised in, as well as sort of a broad range of everything.
At the moment it's a very good time to want to be an archaeologist. There's a lot of big projects kicking off in the commercial world.
Many of the students will go off to placements in their second year, and we even offer a third year training option with commercial archaeologists to give a real sense of the development of archaeology and how they can go out into the profession.
If you want to learn practical, usable skills and get like a hands-on idea of the past, then Bournemouth is fantastically good.
I would recommend the archaeology degree at Bournemouth. It's just a great experience.